Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to save Snapchat memories to computer. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This method works directly from Snapchat's official website, so it's safe and reliable. First of all, open any internet browser on your computer. In the search bar, type Snapchat Web and press Enter. From the search results, click on the top website, which will take you to the web version of Snapchat. Once the page opens, go ahead and log in by entering your email address and password, then click Log In. After you're logged in, click on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the page. From the menu, select Account Settings. Now scroll down until you see the My Data option and click on it. This is where Snapchat allows you to download your account data. From here, select the data you want to download. In this case, we're focusing on exporting your memories. If you only want your memories, simply choose Request Only Memories. Next, select the time frame for the memories you want to download. You can choose a specific range or select all time if you want everything. After that, scroll down, confirm that your email address is correct, and click Submit. Now you just need to wait while Snapchat prepares your data. This process can take a few hours depending on how many memories you have. Once it's ready, Snapchat will send you an email notification. After receiving the email, refresh the My Data page and click on See Exports. Then select Download. The file will download as a zip folder. Open your Downloads folder, right-click on the zip file, and choose Extract All, then click Extract. Once the files are extracted, open the HTML folder. Once opened, now double-click on Memories. If it doesn't open automatically, select an internet browser like Google Chrome. This will open a page where you can download individual photos and videos, or use the Download All Memories option to save everything at once to your computer. And that's it. So that's basically how you can save Snapchat memories to computer. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.